Nothing just showed off a feature they're calling Essential Apps, which basically lets you generate apps using AI. And this is revolutionary for the smartphone industry because it means that no smartphone OS will be the same. So today I'll tell you about that as well as some other new things coming in nothingOS 4.0. So let's get into it. So let's start off with Essential Apps. Essential Apps is a feature that Nothing just announced, which lets you do a prompt to AI and it will generate an app for you. But the app is not actually an app, it's just a widget. So like a mini app, like for example a mini game. These can be shared on the new Playground, which I'll get into later. But I think it's super exciting because it means that everyone will have a different nothingOS. So when you tell AI what you want to generate, you can actually also implement files. So for example, if you want it to be generated in a specific style, like if there's a design style you really like, you can get some inspiration images to show it. And I'm assuming you can also import like videos and audio files and stuff like that. And it can do all sorts of things with your phone. Like it can access your files, your pictures, and it can add reminders, all kinds of stuff, like stuff that basically Google Assistant can do. So here are some examples that Nothing talked about on their website that this could do. A finance PDF that it creates every single week, like a widget on your home screen, and then it will take all the receipts in your camera roll and put it together into one bill. Another example is a mood tracker where every time you unlock your phone, you put it in your mood and it will create a playlist based on the mood you're currently in, which is actually also pretty exciting. Maybe it doesn't create the playlist, maybe you have just created the playlist and you assign different moods to different playlists. But it's still really cool that AI can do this. Now Essential Apps is still in the alpha stage, which means that it's not quite out yet. But I think you can actually try it on nothingOS 4.0 right now if you have the beta version. It's available on nothing.com/playground, where you can like create your own apps, but it's only if you get access to it that you can start creating apps. I have requested access, so we'll see if I can like show you guys this before it gets officially released. And as I said, this can be used in nothingOS 4.0, and it's not that many phones that have nothingOS 4.0 right now, but you can install the beta on some phones. And the Playground that I talked about is like a shared space where people from the Nothing community can upload their own camera presets, EQ profiles, these new Essential Apps, and the Glyph toys. So this is something that we've been waiting for a long time, like not having to go and search up Glyph toys on nothing.community and pray that you can find a download link. Instead, you can just find them all here on one website called the Playground, and it's all the community created assets for Nothing phones. And then we got something new for Nothing phones with the Essential Space, and this is called Essential Memory. Now, Essential Memory is described as learning your habits and saving stuff that might be useful for you that you might forget. So for example, if you're browsing for something online, I can imagine that it can like save important details that you looked at, and even stuff from your clipboard maybe that is important, it will save in Essential Space. This is just my guess, and that's how I interpret this teaser. Now the nothingOS 4.0 open beta is actually out now to Nothing Phone 3, 2A, 2A Plus and 2 users, but not to 3A series just yet. The Nothing Phone 3A will get nothingOS 4.0 in October. You can check out this video right here if you want to know more about nothingOS 4.0. So that's been it for this video, guys. So if you like this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more Nothing content in the future, because it's now Techtober after all. Thanks for watching.